Pemilik motosikal sewa Langkawi perjelas isu pelancong wanita rosakkan
Dia bagi
motosikal.
motor aku jatuh, dia calahkan motor, lepas tu fork tu pun bengkok ke belah kiri.
Pemilik sebuah premis menyewa motosikal di Langkawi tampil memberi penjelasan berkenaan video tular yang membabitkan seorang pelancong wanita dari Cuba yang tidak berpuas hati kerana diminta membayar ganti rugi sebanyak RM1,000. Menerusi perkongsian Hayes Ryan di TikTok, dia menafikan dakwaan wanita berkenaan yang menuduh dirinya meminta RM1,000 kerana kesan cala dan habuk pada motosikal. Melalui video tersebut, Ryan menunjukkan bukti kerosakan pada motosikal dan hanya meminta RM400 sebagai ganti rugi. Walau bagaimanapun, pelancong wanita itu enggan membayar ganti rugi, malah menuduhnya seorang warga asing disebabkan logat bahasa Inggerisnya yang begitu fasih.
Charge you maybe 1,000. Yeah.
To charge me
Yeah,
1,000 apparently for this.
Okay, kepada hampa semua yang duk tengok video tadi tu, yang perempuan ni rakam video kata aku ni apa, overcharge dia 1,000, padahal aku minta kat dia 400 je. Dia bagi motor aku jatuh, dia calahkan motor, lepas tu fork tu pun bengkok ke belah kiri. So semua sekali dia fikir balik 400, okay. Lepas tu dia tak mau bayar. Dia argue banyak, dia cakap banyak. So aku pun cakap kat dia, ni harga ni actually murah. Kalau pergi kedai lain ke tempat lain, maybe ada orang overcharge sampai 1,000 kan. Maybe boleh jadi benda tu. Tapi dia cut video tu, dia bagi aku nampak macam kononnya aku bagi tahu dia kena bayar 1,000. Bad PR dekat aku kononnya kan. Tak tahu apa nak cakap lah. Okay, kepada hampa semua yang diingat aku orang luar, aku bukan orang luar, aku orang Langkawi pada sini, okay. Ya, aku cakap bahasa Inggeris boleh, bahasa Melayu boleh, bahasa Rusia pun boleh. Ya, I speak English, я говорю по-русски тоже, and saya cakap bahasa Melayu juga, okay. Sebab aku orang Malaysia juga, okay. So kepada hampa semua tu jangan berdaya sangat lah dengan lorat aku tu. Hampa dengar, hampa ingat nanti, oh dia ni orang luar mai kerja dekat Malaysia ke apa. Tak, aku orang Langkawi. Hampa nak mai check aku punya IC pun ikut hampa lah. Jangan percaya sangat orang nak buat video, dia cut video, dia bagi nampak macam aku ni kononnya minta kat dia 1,000. Tapi tak pun 400 je orang minta. Look at this. Look at this. This is Zainab. This is Ryan. I'm standing like this is me. This is her. Wow, she is causing a damage she's not paying.
Check on that 100 ringgit.
Whoa, right key right now. Yeah, what are you gonna do? You're gonna toss the throw? I got it, all evidence. Give me the key. Give me the key. Wait, listen, guys. I don't even know what's wrong with this lady. Give me the key. Right, give me the key.
You don't need to repeat that 100.
All right, you are acting. You are acting like a kid, honestly. Then I gotta repeat.
You're a businessman.
Yeah, I'm a businessman who's honest, by the way. And you, on the other hand, you're a cheater. You don't even want to admit that you've done something wrong. And you want to tape me? Are you kidding me? What? That's ridiculous. But anyway, you know what? I'm gonna let this slide because I'm not even gonna deal with people like you anymore. You want to toss it, toss it. I got it all on camera anyway. Yeah. All right. Have a good evening. Goodbye. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ryan. Now look what she has done over here. She has broken this. Now this is not even cheap, first of all. And look at all this funny thing over here. If you fall from this side, so which side of the bike is going to really get dirty? Is it this side? No. The answer is, guess what? This side, right? So look at that. Broken over here. We got some new scratches over here. We got some new scratches over here. We got something over here. But you know what? That's not really it though. The handle, you know, the fork is not even properly aligned straightly. You know, it is a little bit twisted to the left side. And that's why we were asking her to pay 400 Malaysian ringgit. And I said that if she had gone to another shop, it could have been a lot more, like 1,000. But guess what? She actually cut the video and made it seem like I was saying that she had to pay 1,000. Wow. I mean, do you see what kind of person this is? It's like this PR, you know, like this whole journalism thing. You know, she knows what she's doing. You know, she is just taking the whole video, which she have taken. She's just taking her own video out of context, trying to make me the bad guy when she caused problemos, and she's not. And I'm asking $400. Wow. Hampa yang duk tengok video saya tadi tu, aku nak abang kat satu benda lah. Perempuan ni dia buat video post small, lepas tu dia tak dah yang aku balas balik dekat dia dekat dalam video. Lalu ni dia block aku pula. Dia block aku kat TikTok supaya aku tak boleh buat apa. Aku tak boleh nak komen apa-apa pun dekat dia. Lalu ni saya ni sebagai okay, kita sama rakyat Malaysia kita kena tolong lah. Okay, saya minta tolong kat hampa semua ni. Hampa just pi dekat dia punya video yang viral tu, hampa komen je username saya tu dekat apa dia komen tu supaya semua orang boleh main dekat page saya, boleh tengok apa semua video yang saya jelas tadi tu lah. Sebab dia delete per habis semua komen-komen saya dekat video dia tu. Dia main kotak. Perempuan ni dia saja dia main kotak. Okay, dia block account aku, lepas tu dia delete semua komen-komen aku supaya aku tak boleh nak sebarkan video explanation aku kat orang lain semua dekat komen tu. Dia main kotak. So tak apalah, dia nak main kotak, saya ni lah ni pun nak kena minta tolong kat hampa lah. Okay, sama rakyat-rakyat Malaysia kita kena tolong lah satu sama lain. Okay, kita akan boleh bagi chance sangat dekat orang-orang penipu macam ni. Dia macam ulang.